Julian.
A little bit more.
Let's go, Julian. Now, how long are you going to last? Like 15 seconds?
Yeah, right. 7.
Okay.
7 seconds. That's what usually his girlfriend said.
Yeah.
7 seconds.
7 seconds too.
I'd be impressed if you could last.
That's what his girl said.
What's his name? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Julian. Let's go.
Come on.
Keep working.
Go.
Keep working. Keep working. Let me see those shoulders. Let's go. Come on, work it. Focus.
He's dying already.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh my God.
Come on, do some push-ups. Roll up. Get tough. Say it with your chest.
Say it with your chest, boy.
Chest.
Look at him. What did you say, Julian? You're done? Are you giving up?
He can't go back to the first workout. He ran outside.
Julian, please, just say you're done so I can put it on my Facebook, please. Just say, what?
Time out. I wish I had a marker. 4.
Yo, 50, step on his face.
Order always off of eBay.
Come on, Julian, give up. Just say for my wall, you give up. Here, my nephew giving up on an old line. He can't even talk.
Hold on. The warranty on the muscles ran out. You gotta send him back.
Gotta get a refund.
Yeah, good. I want to like.
The warranty